As always, bringing you the best free tools and gifts. Today, I've got an incredible plugin that's going to save you hours of work and effort. It's packed with tons of seamless transitions, text animations, color grading presets, and sound effects. And best of all, it's completely free. Make sure to watch until the very end to see how it works. To get started, head over to the website using the link in the description below. This plugin works with both Premiere Pro and After Effects. For this video, I'll be using Premiere Pro, but if you'd like to see a tutorial for After Effects, let me know in the comments. Next, select Windows or choose Mac if you're on Mac OS. Connect your email to download and install the plugin. Once the installation is complete, you'll see this window pop up. Simply select your options right here and wait just a moment. As for the remaining options, those belong to the paid plan. Honestly though, the free version is more than enough to create tons of high-quality, professional videos. After downloading, make sure to restart Premiere Pro. I've already set up 2 sample clips on the timeline to test everything out. To open the plugin, go to the Window menu, select Extensions, and click Premiere Studio. And there you go. It's loaded up and ready to use. You can expand the plugin interface to take a quick look around before testing it out. These are the transitions, all fully professional, giving you everything you need to create high-caliber edits. Over here, we have text animations designed specifically for social media, along with various graphic elements. It's a massive, high-end collection that professionals regularly use in their workflow. Moving on to motion text, as you can see, there are dozens of slick, animated text presets. Next, we have color grading. You can easily alter the look of any video, turn it black and white, apply cinematic retro looks, or go with stylistic palettes like blue and black. Finally, we have the sound effects. As you can hear, there's a wide range of audio effects that will definitely come in handy for your projects. Now, let's test out a transition. It's super simple. Just place your playhead anywhere on the timeline, pick your favorite transition, and click Add. That's all it takes. You can move it anywhere you want on the timeline. Let's try another one. Next, let's move over to graphic effects. It works the exact same way. Place your playhead anywhere and click Add. You can easily speed it up or slow it down just by trimming its length on the timeline. To edit the graphic, select it on the timeline and modify the fields here. I'll type my name, Michael, and my channel name, Graphic Mix. As you can see, it updates instantly. Feel free to experiment with the rest of the effects on your own. Now let's check out the text presets. Same process as before. I'll drop this text onto the timeline, select it, and customize it with ease. Next up is the color tab. I'll select this preset and apply it. It looks absolutely amazing. Let's try this one as well. Finally, for the sound effects. If you like a sound, you can easily add it directly to your timeline using the exact same steps. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments right away.